Hello, everyone, and welcome to the MBH show. I'm Matthew, and this is my show. Today, we have gone to Costco yet again to see what's on sale. Let's get started. First, we have a 2019 Boen Pinot Noir by Boen Wines from Santa Maria Valle. It's originally $21.99, $5 off, making it $16.99. Sale expires Sunday, December 10th, 2023. We then have a 2018 Provenance Cabernet Sauvignon by Provenance Vineyards in Napa Valley. This is originally $36.99. It's on sale, $10 off, making it $26.99. Sale expires January 21st, 2024. Next, we have a 2019 Complicated. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon by North Coast in Lodi, California. Its original price is $14.99. It's $5 off, making it $9.99. Sale expires Sunday, December 17th, 2023. Next, we have a 2020 Hook or Crook Cabernet Sauvignon by Hook or Crook Cellars in Lodi, California. It's originally $9.99. It's $5 off, making it a bargain at $4.99. Sale expires Sunday, December 17th, 2023. Next on the list, which I have said before, I love the labels that they make. It's a 2020 Rabble Wines Red Blend by Rabble Wine Company in Paso Robles, California. The price is $12.89 originally. It's $3 off, making it $9.89. The sale expires January 7th, 2024. The next one I picked up because I couldn't resist. It's a 2015 Fleury Estate Cabernet Sauvignon. A Fleury Estate winery is where it's made in Napa, California. It is also a Rutherford. If you don't know what Rutherford is, look it up. It's regularly $99.99, $30 off, making it $69.99, and the sale expires Sunday, December 31st, 2023. So get one for those New Year Eve parties. Next one is a 2021 Cherry Pie Pinot Noir from San Pablo Bay Winery. This is a Napa Valley region. It's normally $39.99. It's $10 off, making it $29.99. The sale expires Sunday, January 28th, 2024. Happy New Year. Next, we have one that we actually did a wine tasting with. It's a 2021 Educated Guess Cabernet Sauvignon. The vineyard is Roots Run Deep Winery, and it's in the Napa Valley, Oakville region. It's originally $49.99. It's $25 off, making it $24.99. And the sale expires Sunday, December 24th, 2023. The next I happen to pick up as well. It's a 2021 Harvey and Harriet Red Blend by My Favorite Neighbor's Vineyard. This is a San Luis Obispo region in San Luis Obispo County. It's $25.99 regularly and it's $6 off, making it $19.99. Sale expires Sunday, December 31st, 2023. The next one I also picked up was a 2018 Beringer Merlot by Beringer Vineyards. They're one of the oldest vineyards in the Napa area. It is Napa Valley, of course, and it's normally $26.99. It's $12 off, making it $14.99 at a bargain and a half. That's sale expires Sunday, January 7th, 2024. We now have a 2021 Headline Zinfandel. This is by Precision Wine Company. As I've stated before, a lot of Precision wine goes through Costco. This is from Dry Creek Valley in Sonoma, California. The price is $21.99 minus $10 off, making it $11.99. Sale expires January 14th, 2024. Next, we have a 2022 Woodwork Cabernet Sauvignon by Woodwork Wines from California. Original price is $9.49. It's $4 off, making it $5.49. Sale expires Sunday, December 31st, 2023. Next on the list, we have a 2022 Valle de Inez Pinot. This is a Pinot Noir. Start over. Next, we have a 2022 Valle de Inez. This is a Pinot Noir from San Luis Obispo, California. Original price is $19.99. It's $10 off, making it $9.99, and the sale expires December 17th, 2023. I want to thank everyone for joining me, and I can't wait to get back out there to see what's on sale. Stay tuned.